big event of my day. It is making our no-bake cheesecake. Now, we're going to use Jello, no cheese, no bake classic cheesecake. And for the ingredients, I'm going to use Land O'Lakes, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, a half a cup of milk, 1.5, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. All of this is going to make a delicious no-bake cheesecake. And you can tell that it's no-bake because we're not in a kitchen. We are actually
outside
on our porch. That is how easy this is going to be.
Yeah.
Check it out. Okay, as you see, all our ingredients is on the table and ready to go. We have the filling and the crust mix in the no-bake cheesecake box. But because I wanted it to be extra simple, I went ahead and got the already pie crust ready to eat graham cracker. Oh! Okay guys, that was a blooper. Wham, wham. Look what I did. I don't know how I did it, but but we're going to fix it. You know why?
Yep.
Because we're going to use our melted butter to put it all back together. And heck, when it's all said and done, it's going to be just as good going down the tummy. So bear with me. Like I said, we're not going to use the pie crust filling. The pie crust. We're not going to use this. So we're just going to put that to the side for another time when this doesn't happen. All right? So that's going to go back in the box. What we're going to do is open up our pie filling, the filling mix number 2. So we're just going to skate on to number 2. And also follow along with the directions on the back. So we're going to skip 1, making the pie crust, and we're going to go right on to 2, which says beat filling mix and milk with mixer on low speed for 30 seconds. Now, because we're not in the kitchen, we're not going to use a low speed mixer. We're going to use our fork and spoon, okay? And we're going to keep beating that until it's nice and smooth, and then we'll put it into our pie crust pan, okay? So let's get to pouring. Okay. Now, my little assistant here is going to go ahead and pour the filling into our mixing bowl right here. Ready?
How much are you going to put?
The whole thing.
Look at that.
All right, everything is going everywhere now.
Smells yummy.
All right,
Yummy.
so we got the mix in the bowl. And what we're going to do is pour the milk.
Yeah, I'm going to pour the milk because I'm the assistant.
We're going to pour the milk into the mix. Gently, gently, gently,
Yep.
right?
Just,
All right.
just gonna do it.
And now we're going to take the fork, lightly beat it. We're going to get all the yummy mix together. Oh, is that smelling beautiful or what, Freedom?
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
I can look at
Hang on. And we're just gonna keep beating this till we get the right consistency. And guys, I'm not speeding up time or anything. This is in real time. This is how fast this takes. Okay? So why don't you go ahead and mix that up for us a little bit there, Freedom. See, gentle. There we go. See? So simple, a 5-year-old can do it. Good. Awesome. Good job. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our pie crust and we're going to add the butter. Now guys, early on I told you that I had 2 cups of sugar, right? But because we already have the pie mix in order here, we don't need the sugar. So we're going to cancel that out, okay? And we're going to put the melted butter on our already ready-made pie crust, okay? So hold on to the spoon. And Mommy is going to pour the butter onto the ready-made pie crust. Now guys, bear with me. Bear with me. I don't know how this is necessarily going to turn out now that I messed up the pie crust. But we'll work it out. Now, let's see. We're going to smooth this all out just like this. Going to smooth it on out. Okay. And then once I finish smoothing out the pie crust, I'm going to have Freedom go ahead and pour the filling into our pie crust mix here, okay? Let's see here. I'm going to do the best I can. We'll see how it comes out though, guys, okay? Still working with it. Get it all in there. Me, I like to still use the butter for the ready-made pie crust, just because it gives it a little added substance to it. You know what I mean? Makes it easy for the filling to settle in when you got that nice buttery substance in there. Here we go. All right, Freedom, you're almost ready with the filling. All right, let's see here. All right. Let's see. And we're only 6 minutes in. Almost done. Okay. Now, ready? You ready to help me pour? And 1, 2, 3. Yay! Look at that. All right, now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to get the rest of that on up out of here. Get it all up out of there. Hang on a second. Scrape that bowl nice and clean. Hang on, let's get this nice and clean. Whoa. After this though, we have to wait at least an hour for it to settle. It's no bake, but it has to sit and chill in the refrigerator for up to an hour. Trying to get everything out of the bowl. Did I do a good job? All right. Uh-oh. Now, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to spread it out just like this. Spread it out. Get all that nice cheesecake filling all around the crust. It almost looks like pudding, huh? Oh, hang on. Can you guys see it? There, that's probably better. Looks like pudding. Nice and smooth. I'm gonna smooth it out. Oh my goodness! The daggone police is running down the street while I'm doing the video! Sorry, it was the ambulance. Oh. Jeez. Something always mess you up, right? Anyway, check it out. Isn't that nice? Yum. And now I'm gonna give the spoon to Freedom. Go ahead and taste it. Is that yummy in your tummy or what? So how long do we have to let the no-bake cheesecake sit in the refrigerator for?
10 minutes?
1 hour, guys. 1 hour. Okay. So we'll check back with you guys in an hour, and I will see you when I get to cutting my cake.
Guys, it's been an hour. It's time to cut the cake.
And this is the finished product, guys. We are gonna cut through it.
Yep.
The no-bake cheesecake.
Yum yum. You think you want to eat it?
Yummy. Okay, guys, now it's ready to be cut into. Look at the density. Now, remember the little blooper that I had earlier with the crust messing up? It's really not going to matter because it's all going in the tummy. Look, watch. Look. And we're just gonna lift that right on up out of here. Look. And we're gonna put it on the plate. You see what I mean? Hang on. No worries. We got our crust under there.
Nope.
No worries.
No worries.
We got our crust under there.
Yep, you get a crust.
And now,
Time
what is it?
to eat! To eat.
Here you go.
Let's try it.
Let's try it out.
Mmm.
How is it, little girl?
Mmm, yummy.
Yummy. So, guys, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on this. And it's real simple. Not a whole lot of time. The no-bake cheesecake is not a waste of time. It is delicioso.
No.
All right, guys. Happy birthday to all my Taurus and Geminis out there. You can put toppings on this if you want, like strawberry toppings or apple toppings. Dress it up the way that you want to. I was just giving you guys a real simple, quick video on how to do it real fast. Me, I'm gonna go fancy mine up. Peace.